All right, so this is page 4 of the Algebra 2 Chapter 5 practice test. So looking at number 39 is where you have a fraction, two fractions within a fraction. So this fraction bar means to divide. So you're going to take 5x over 16. You're going to divide it by 4 over x, and then use the invert and multiply rule. So this becomes 5x over 16 times x over 4. Look to see if there's anywhere to cancel. On this one, there's not. So you just multiply straight across, and you get 5x squared over 16 times 4, which is 64. Same thing with number 41. This is your division bar. So not only are you going to take this and divide it by that, but you also have to common denominators, which you do. So you're going to have 2x plus 3 minus 3. So these are going to cancel. So you have 2x over x divided by 3 over 2x plus 3. Use the invert and multiply rule. And you get 2x plus 3 over 3. I don't see anything to factor. Yes, just the x. So we have 2 times 2x plus 3. If you want to simplify it, go for it. So 4x plus 6 over 3. All right, jumping down to number 43. It takes Maria 12 hours to clean an attic. Paul can clean the same attic in 14 hours. Find how long it would take them if they worked together. So if they worked together, it would be one job. Maria does it in x out of 12 hours. And Paul does it in x over 14. I got the least common denominator of 168. So I'm going to multiply this by 168, and 12 goes into 168 14 times. 14 goes into 168 12 times. And 1 times 168 is obviously 168. So this is 26x. Divide both sides by 26. I got approximately 6.46 hours. Number 45. Heather left the mall and traveled west at an average speed of 36 kilometers per hour. Alberto left sometime later, traveling in the same direction at an average speed of 60 kilometers per hour. After traveling for 3 hours, Alberto caught up with Heather. Find the number of hours Heather traveled before Alberto caught up. So if Alberto spent 3 hours traveling at 60 kilometers per hour, that means he went 180 miles. So if we take 180 and divide it by Maria's average speed of 36, that means she went 5 hours before Alberto caught up with her. Okay. Number 47, we have 9 liters of a 10% alcohol solution and mix it with 6 liters of pure water. We're going to find the concentration of the new mixture. So let's do the 10% of 9 liters. So I'm going to rewrite that as 0.10 times the 9 liters. That's the alcohol solution. We're going to mix it. So we're going to add pure water. Pure water has 0% alcohol. And there's 6 liters of it. We need to find the concentration of the new liquid. So we had 9 of this and 6 of this. That means we have 15. And we want to know what the concentration is. We'll call that X. So we get out the calculator. We get 0.9 plus 0 equals 15x. Divide both sides by 15. And I got X is X is equal to, came out to an exact amount, 0.06, which as a percent is 6%.